Okay, so today I'll be talking about the overview of the heart, like what it does and why it's so important. Because the heart is one of the most important organs in our body, right? Because due to it pumping out blood, right? So today, what study was born, I'm gonna talk about the heart and why it's so important for the human body. So the major components of the heart is part of the circulatory system, which also includes a network of blood vessels, right? Because the heart pumps out blood, hence is included in a network of blood vessels, right? And again, pumps blood continuously throughout the body, as well as there are four chambers and four valves in the human heart, right? And the right, you can see the heart. You can see how big it is due to from the MRI, right? The heart is very big. It's a very big organ, right? So exterior anatomy, right? You got the superior and inferior venae cavae, which carry blood from the body to the heart. The pulmonary arteries, which carry blood from the heart to the lungs. The pulmonary veins carry blood from the lungs to the heart. Aorta carries blood from the heart to the body, and the coronary artery supplies blood to the heart. So it shows cases that blood is so much related to the heart because every one of these has blood related to it, and it's due to it carrying it. So, and the interior anatomy of the heart is the four chambers, four valves, and the septum, right? The septum is internal tissues that separates the left and right sides of the heart. And then the cardiac cycle, where each heartbeat has two basic parts, diastole and systole, and the atria and ventricles relax at diastole and contract at systole, meaning at systole they basically intertwine, while in diastole they don't. And then electrical conduction. So the heart contains an electrical system that can initiate heartbeats without neural activation, which is super important, right? And the heart's electrical system is made up of three main parts: the sinustral node, atrioventricular node, and the His Purkinje system, right? Those allow it to have an electrical conduction. I'd like to mention that this PowerPoint is from a university. It's not my PowerPoint, so basically I'm just rereading what the PowerPoint says and just giving a little extra information, like as much as like the information that I know. And last, the functions of the heart. So we all know that the heart pumps blood, right? That's the one of the main purpose. But there's more, because like electrical signals contract the walls of the heart and regulate heartbeats. And well, everyone knows is blood pumped by the heart carries oxygen to organs and picks up waste carbon dioxide to be breathed out of the body to the lungs. So the heart allows us to breathe CO2 out our body, right? Because during respiration we breathe in O2 and breathe out CO2. So it showcases how important the heart is, and I would say it's like top two most important organ as well as the brain. Like even though every organ is important, the heart and brain is what makes someone like essentially alive. If someone's heart stops beating, they're gonna be deceased, right? So it showcases how important the heart is. I have a good day. Next video is probably gonna be something IB related, but it could be like me talking about what you call it, respiration and photosynthesis, like talking about glycolysis, all that sort of stuff. So stay tuned. Bye.